friends, once again welcome to the next series video on chapter profit loss from class 7 additional mathematics solution. And now this is the video for question number 12. So let's start the solution of question number 12. Harish purchased 50 dozen bananas for raise 135 rupees. Harish purchased 50 dozen bananas for rupees 135. So the cost price of 50 dozen bananas is 135 rupees. This is the first clue. 135 is the cost price. 5 dozen bananas could not be sold because they were rotten. So here 5 dozen bananas are lost, means these are not these are rotten, so you can't sold it. It could not be sold. At what price per dozen should Harish sell the remaining banana so that he makes a profit of 20%? After selling this the remaining banana, look here, there are 50 dozen bananas. He purchased 50 dozen bananas, but 5 dozen bananas could not be sold because they were rotten. So now 50 dozen minus 5 dozen, now 45 dozen. He has 45 dozen bananas, so he has to sell only 45 dozen bananas. The remaining bananas are 45 dozen bananas, and he has to make a profit of 20%. So he has to count this profit on this 45 dozen. The cost price should be count on the 50 dozen bananas, and the selling price should be count on 45 dozen bananas to find a profit of 20%. Look here, the interesting thing of this question is the cost price will be count on 50 dozen bananas, but the selling price will must count on 45 dozen bananas because fruits are rotten. Fruits are rotten here right now. 5 dozen bananas are rotten here. So now there are 45 dozen bananas to sell. So first right here, the cost price is 135 rupees. 135 rupees. And 5 dozen bananas are rotten, and the remaining amount is 45 dozen bananas are available. This 45 dozen is available to right now for sold. Now we have to make a profit of 20%. You have to make a profit of 20%. So you have to calculate this profit percentage on cost price. So here profit amount is CP into profit percentage. This is 135 into 20 upon 100. 20%, profit of 20%, this is P percent, this is 20%. 135 into 20 by 100, this is 5. 27. So rupees 27. If you have to make a profit of 20% on cost price 135 rupees, so you have to make a profit of 27 rupees, then you must have a profit percentage 20%. On this cost price 135 rupees, if you make a profit of 27 rupees, then it is a profit percentage of 20%. The profit percentage is 20%. According to on the count of 135 cost price, profit percentage 20%, and the amount is 27 rupees. Now Harish has to sell 45 dozen bananas. Look here, questions for us to find out at what price per dozen. At what price per dozen means you have to calculate this selling price per dozen. Here first questions given to us that the cost price for 50 dozen bananas, not per dozen. Cost price for 50 dozen bananas. And now find out the selling price first. This is 135 plus 27, because you know when there is a profit, then the profit will be added with the cost price to find the selling price. And now the balance is 162 rupees. This is the selling price. You have to sell the remaining bananas, 45 dozen bananas, at 162 rupees to find out a profit of 20%. Now this 162 rupees you have to sell for 45 dozen bananas. This selling price for 45 dozen bananas. Now for 1 dozen bananas, it will be 162 by 45, which is equal to 3 rupees 60 paise. 3 rupees 60 paise. Again here I repeat it. 50 dozen bananas for race 135. So the cost price of 50 dozen bananas are 135 and 5 dozens are rotten. So the remaining dozens are 45 dozens available to sold. Harish has 45 dozen bananas to sell. Now profit of 20%. He wants to gain a profit of 20%. So calculate on CP. The profit of 135, profit of 20% on cost price 135. According to the formula, here we get the amount, the profit amount is 27 rupees. And the selling price will be cost price plus profit, and the selling price is 162 rupees. 162 rupees. But Harish has only 45 dozen bananas to sell at the price of 162 rupees to gain 20% profit. And questions for us to find out the price per dozen, the selling price per dozen. So the selling price for 1 dozen will be the total selling price divided by total dozens to be sold. Total dozens to be sold. This is 162 by 45, which is equal to 3 rupees 60 paise. So your answer is 3 rupees 60 paise. This is your answer. You have to sell 3 rupees 60 paise per dozen. The selling price is 3 rupees 60 paise. In my next video, we will solve question number 13 from this same chapter, Profit Loss, from chapter 12, Adi Sharma Mathematics books, class 7. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.